All right, children, I'd like to, good evening, children.
Good evening.
Sindhu, Sanjay, Keetna, and Devadarshini.
Good evening. Good
Good evening, children. Good evening. So I had shared an assignment on WhatsApp. I hope the others have completed, except Devadarshini, the others have completed. Sindhu, Sanjay, and Keetna, please let me know. Have you completed?
Yes,
Keetna?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sanjay and Sindhu?
Ma'am?
Yeah, have you completed the assignment which I had shared on WhatsApp?
Ma'am, I had exams and tests this week, so I was not able to. We completed only little what we know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Only little I have completed, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children, then we'll discuss the answers to the assignment which I shared on WhatsApp in the next class. Please complete it, Sindhu and Sanjay. Please complete. Now, Devadarshini, you two have time now till the next class, so please complete the assignment.
Okay, ma'am.
Keetna, so we shall discuss the answers in the next class, Keetna.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, answer these questions. Write in power notation. Keetna, answer the first one. Keetna, what's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, minus 2 by 5 to the power 4.
Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 to the power 4. Very good. What's the answer for the second one? Devadarshini?
Ma'am, ma'am, bracket AB to the power 2, whole bracket to the power 3.
Very good. Sanjay, the answer to the third one?
M to the power P, ma'am. M by N to the power P, ma'am.
M by N to the power P. Okay, and the Sindhu? Next one?
X to the power 99, ma'am.
X to the power 99. Now what? Tell me the answer for this one. What is this equal to?
Ma'am, 4 to the power 99.
4 to the power 99.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, if it comes as multiplication only to the power 99, ma'am, but if it comes as addition, is it power 99, ma'am?
So this is wrong.
Yes,
it's not 4 to the power 99. Okay, so what is 2 plus 2 plus 2? What's the answer?
6, ma'am.
So isn't it 2 3s are?
Yes, ma'am.
3 times. 2 taken 3 times. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? What's the answer?
4 into 5, ma'am.
No, what is 4 plus 20? It is nothing but 4 taken 5 times. 4 taken 5 times. Repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated multiplication is written in the exponential form or the power notation. Repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated addition is multiplication. So this question, what's the answer to this question? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 99 times?
4 into 99, ma'am.
4?
Into 99, ma'am.
4 into 99. 4 into 99. 4 into 99. So repeated, remember this, repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated addition is expressed as a product. Repeated multiplication is written in the exponential form. If it's addition, it's multiplication. If it is multiplication, it's in the exponential form. If it's repeated addition, it's multiplication. If it's repeated multiplication, it's written in the exponential form. So don't do this mistake. Sometimes we understand lots from exponents and we make this mistake in the exam. And then we feel very bad for it. So if it is minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 some 45 times. It is minus 2 by 5 into 45. Into 45. It's minus 2 by 5 into 45. Minus 2 by 5 is taken 45 times. So minus 2 by 5 into 45. So what's the answer? 5 ones are 5 nines are. So minus 18. The answer is minus 18. When you add minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 45 times we have this minus 2 by 5. The answer is minus 18. Repeated addition is multiplication. But when we have minus 2 by 5 like this as repeated multiplication, then this is written in the exponential form, minus 2 by 5 to the power 4. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe this one is your choice. If you want to work, you can work, or you feel you want, it's very simple. You can just go through, take a screenshot.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, this is your next question. Express in exponential form. Do this. Let's see who's the first to answer. The first one. Question number 2, first subdivision. Express in exponential form. 4096 divided by 15,625. Before we take up this large, before we take up this fraction which has large numerator and denominator, answer this. Express this in the exponential form. What's the answer for this one? Yes, quick. Express this, put this in the exponential form. Children?
Ma'am, 4 power 2 by 5 power 2.
4 by?
5 power 2, ma'am.
4 by 5 the whole square. Okay, 4 by 5 to the power 2. Correct. So this is how we write 16 by 25. 16 by 25 is a fraction. 16 by 25 is a fraction. How do we put it in the exponential form? It's 4 by 5 the whole square. Similarly, Write 4096 by 15,625 in the exponential form. Madhamita, you were late, right, to join the meeting? May I know why?
Yes, ma'am. I was caught up with some schoolwork, ma'am.
Okay, but tomorrow is Sunday, no? You could have finished it tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. I had a lot of homework, ma'am. I'll use the meeting recording.
No, but actually today what happened, because we were, I think, only 3, so we were just waiting for the others to join. No, we have not missed anything today.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, tomorrow being Sunday, you could have postponed it to Sunday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are only 7 of us.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
started the meeting some 15 minutes later. I started the meeting. All right. Yes, children. 4,009. Yeah, do the first one.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, complete the first one, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer?
Ma'am, 4 by 5 to the power 3, ma'am. 4 to the
Sorry?
power 4 by 5 whole to the power 3, ma'am.
4 by 5 to the power 3. Is it this?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, I got 64 by 125 to the power 3, ma'am. 2, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
You got 64 by?
125, the whole power 2, ma'am.
Very good. How did you get this?
Ma'am, I found out the square root of 4,096 and 15,625, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. And I'll go with it. Very good. You're right. You're right. Okay. Now tell me, I'll put this whole square as it is. Now, how will you express 64 in base 2? 2 to the power?
Ma'am, 8 square is 64, ma'am.
8 square. Okay, 1 minute. So Sanjay and Sindhu have got this 64 by, just a minute. Yeah, children. So 64 by 125, the whole square. Now tell me, how can you express 125? Let's start from the easier one. How do you express 125? It's 5 to the power what?
5 to the power 3, ma'am.
Then what? 64 is what to the power 3?
2. 4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4. So there's nothing but you don't have to do it like this. I'm just trying to complete with the help of the the answer which Sindhu and Sanjay have got. You don't have to do it like this. I'll tell you. So it's 4 by 5 the whole power. Multiply the power. Now this is 4 by 5 the whole cube, right? Whole square. So it is 4 by 5 the whole power 6. Four cube by 5 cube is 4 by 5 the whole cube. The whole power 2. To 3 to the 6. So the exponential form is 4 by 5 to the power 6. We do it. This is how we do it. Find the prime factors of the two numbers, the numerator and the denominator. So you can see that here 5 happens 6 times. Okay, you can see that 5 happens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the denominator is 5 to the power 6. The numerator should also be something to the power 6. 2 happens how many times? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So it is 2 to the power 12. No, we don't want power 12. We want power 6 because the denominator is 5 to the power 6. We can't write the denominator in power 12. You must write both see, in the numerator and in the denominator, you will have an exponent. That is, you will have something in the exponential form. The denominator, okay, what actually we get is the numerator is 2 to the power 12. The denominator is 5 to the power 6. Because here we get 4096 is equal to 2 to the power 12. And here we get 15625 is equal to 5 to the power 6. No, you cannot have different powers. So you cannot make the power 6 12. You cannot make the power 6 as 12, but you can always bring 12 to 6. So how do you write this one in power 6? What should be the base so that the power is 6? So what we do, we combine, we pair the 2's. So 2 into 2, 4, 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 2 into 2, 4. So if 2 happens 12 times, 4 happens 6 times. If 2 happens 12 times, 4 happens 6 times. So you can write this one as 4 to the power 6. And this one as 5 to the power 6. So it is 4 to the power 6 by 5 to the power 6 or 4 by 5 to the power 6. Isn't it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, children? So both the numerator, you will express, see the numerator 4096 is 2 to the power 12. The denominator 15,625 is 5 to the power 6. They don't have the same power. You must see to that they have the same power. You cannot make 6 12, but you can make 12 6. How? By grouping like this. So this is nothing but 4 to the power 6. So this one is 4 to the power 6. This one is 5 to the power 6. So it's 4 by 5, the whole power 6. Exponential form. Please work it now, children. The first one is an option. If you want, you can complete it later. Do this one now. Is it over, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right.
Completed, ma'am.
Try the second one, children. So you can see that the numerator and the denominator can be written as 9 cubed and 11 cubed, both raised to the same power. The base can be different, but they must be raised to the same power. Only then you can write some base and whole power something. The bases can be different, but the power must be the same everywhere. Only then you can raise everything to the same power. So you can see here that 729 is because for this one, for this it is 3 to the power 6. That is 3 happens 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3 to the power 6, 729. While 1331 is 11 cubed. So here the power is 3, here it is 6. So you need to bring this one to 3. So it is group the threes like this. So it is 9 cubed. 9 3 times. 9 cubed. 9 cubed. And since it's a minus here, so it's minus 9 cubed. Minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9 is minus 729. Okay. And a cubed as it is a cube. B to the power 6 should be written as b squared the whole cube. Should be written as b squared the whole cube. So minus 9 cubed. You can also put a bracket here, minus 9 the whole cube. You can put a bracket also, minus 9 the whole cube, a cubed, 11 cubed, and b to the power b squared the whole cube. So now since everything is raised to the power 3, you can see minus 9 here, minus 9, a, 11, and b squared. You can see minus 9, a, 11, and b squared. The whole power 3. The whole power 3. Can we go to the next one? Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, you can try as homework. Just take a screenshot. Yes, children, this also. Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide, ma'am? Taken, ma'am.
All right.
Taken, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, find the reciprocal. Devadarshini, what's the reciprocal of the first one?
Yes, ma'am. 7 by 2 to the power 4, ma'am.
Very good. Or
Or 2 by 7 to the power minus 4, ma'am.
very good, very good, very good. Who can say the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yeah, go ahead.
Minus 1 by 5 to the power 3, ma'am.
Or
Or minus 5 to the power minus 3, ma'am.
very good, very good. Take a screenshot, children. Take a picture. Yes, this is a test now. I'll give you less than 10 minutes. You can finish it. It's not difficult. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Finish all the 4 subdivisions. I'll just get back. Please try them. I'll get back.
Ma'am, should we write it in simplified form or exponential form, ma'am?
No, evaluate always means in the simplest form,
Okay, ma'am.
not in the exponential form. If it should be left in the exponential form, it will be mentioned in the question that you have to simplify and leave the answer in the exponential form.
Okay, ma'am.
Nothing is mentioned. That means you should take it away from the exponential form and leave it in the usual form.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Just give me 5 minutes, children. I'll get back. In the meantime, you can try these questions. Done, children?
Ma'am, doing the last sum, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answer? Let me ask Kirtana, what's the answer for the first one?
Yes, ma'am. I got 1 as the answer, ma'am.
1.
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Devadarshini, what's the answer for the first one? Devadarshini, what's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, I got the answer as minus 6.340, ma'am.
Every time I ask Devadarshini a question, she leaves the meeting. Other times you're able to talk, but when I ask you a question, I don't know what issue you have. You leave the meeting, you rejoin and you say that you were not able to hear me. Otherwise, when you want to convey something, your mic is fine. Only when children share your answers can I understand if you have understood or not, and I can help you better.
Ma'am, I got 1 as my answer, ma'am, because any number to the power 0 is 1, no, ma'am.
Sanjay and Sindhu?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 6.340, ma'am. Minus 6.340, ma'am.
How, children? How do you get that? 1 second. What is minus 7 to the power 0? Sanjay and Sindhu?
Minus 7, ma'am.
Then what is minus 7 to the power 1? What is anything to the power 0?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
1. So what is minus 7 to the power 0?
1, ma'am.
1. What is 2 by 3 to the power 0?
1, ma'am.
And what is 0.0007 to the power 0?
1, ma'am.
Anything to the power 0 is 1. 0 to the power 0 is 0. 0 raised to the power 0 is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's 1. It's 1 plus 1 minus 1. What's the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, what's the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, it's 1, ma'am. Minus 19 to the power 0 gives 1. 55 to the power 0 is 1. And minus 1 the whole power 0 is 1, ma'am. So 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1, ma'am.
1. Correct.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. 1 only, ma'am.
Correct. All right. Third one, I think you guys are doing. 3 and 4, yes. All right, tell me your answers. C and D.
Ma'am, 32 by 243, ma'am.
32 by 243. Okay, the last one.
What I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me show you the answer slide. So when you know the bases are not same and you cannot do anything easily using the laws of exponents. This is what you're supposed to do. The first thing is the powers. See, you can see the bases are not same. So the powers are negative, -5 and -3. So how many times? -5 times, -3 times, not possible. So first let's make the powers positive. So reciprocal of the base, -2 by 3, negative of the power, 5. So again, -3 by 7 to the power 3. So why we write their equivalents is because they have, both of them have negative powers to make them positive. Then -2 by 3 to the power means -2 by 3 into -2 by 3, 5 times. And -3 by 7, 3 times. So now what cancels? 1, 2, 3 threes and 1, 2, 3. So 3 threes in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. And the result is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 32. 32 divided by, so this product should be 3087, that you check. And how many? There are 8 minus signs. There are negative sign. The negative sign happens 8 times. So it becomes positive. The answer is a positive 32 by 3087. So children, so your question will be like, how do we know that we have to do it like this? When you cannot use a law of exponents, you know, when the bases are not same. See, when the bases are same and it's multiplication, you can add the powers. Or if the bases are different, but they're raised to the same power, there also you have a law. When nothing is working, just do this. So as I told you, -2 by 3, 5 times, and -3 by 7, 5 times. Sorry, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 cancels. And the product of the numerator. The product of the numerators. And the product of the denominators. There are 8 minus signs, so it becomes positive. Next one also similar. There the powers are already positive. The powers are already positive. 3, 5, and 2. So 3 times, 5 times, 2 times. Cancel. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 to the 18. 36 by 25. 36 by 25. And the minus sign happens 3 times. Minus, minus, minus. So it's a minus 36 by 25. Is that fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please complete it.
Completed, ma'am. Complete.
Please do it now, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Do it now. Yeah. Okay.
Finish writing, ma'am.
Very good. Let's try the first one. Minus 2 by 5 to the power 3 minus 3 by 25 to the power 2. Is the first one over, children?
Doing, ma'am. I'm doing.
Okay. Yeah, it's time, children.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed the first sum, ma'am.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 775 by 3,06,025, ma'am. It's coming big, ma'am. 30,625, ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am, I got the answer as 31 by 49, ma'am.
31 by 39. Who got 31 by 39?
Ma'am, I got 31 by 49, ma'am. Sindhu, ma'am.
Sindhu. Okay. What about the others?
Ma'am, I got minus 30 by 7.
Minus 30 by 7.
Ma'am, I got minus 72 by 3,125, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry, I got minus 24 by 7, ma'am. Minus.
Oh, I have a completely different solution. Okay. How did you start? One of you read out your steps. What is minus 2 by 5 the whole power 3?
Ma'am, I got minus 8 by 125, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. And then what is minus 3 by 25 the whole square?
9 by 625, ma'am.
Okay. And on taking the LCM and simplifying, what did you get?
31 by 625, ma'am.
Have I gone wrong anywhere?
Ma'am, I didn't take the LCM, ma'am, actually. I did it like minus 8 by 125 into 9 by 625 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 I did, ma'am.
How did you multiply? It's minus 8 by 125 minus 9 by 625 LCM.
Yes, ma'am, I made a mistake here.
Okay. Okay, do the second one, children. Because I have all the answers on the same slide. So if I show you the first answer, you will be able to see the second one also. Second, third, and the fourth. So you have to finish all the 4. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please complete, the remaining 3. Then we'll see the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Oh, no, ma'am, I'll simplify it, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Ma'am? Ma'am, I completed till third sum, ma'am. G8 till I completed. Ma'am, completed all the sums, ma'am.
Sorry, I've been talking. My mic was on mute. I did not notice that. I've been asking what's the answer for the second one, children.
Ma'am, 1 by 64.
1 by 2 to the power 6, ma'am.
Correct. That's also 1 by 64. All right. Then the third one.
Ma'am, minus 8 by
Minus 8 by
27.
27, ma'am.
Minus 8 by 27. Okay. And the last one?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. You're all getting the same answer. All right. Now let's see the answers. 1 by 64, 8 by 26. Yeah. Right. Except the first one, children. Have a look at the first one. See where you've gone wrong or where I have gone wrong. Please go through the steps, children, and ask me your doubts. Is my working for the first one correct, children?
Yes, ma'am. I actually didn't subtract that and take LCM and multiplied it by mistake, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you told me. So here, children, 49 and 49 gets cancelled. 25 ones are 25 times. So minus 1 by 25 is the result.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Any clarifications with the first one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you've all identified your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Second one, you got the same answer, right, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right, let's go on to the next one. This one you can complete as homework, children. Take a screenshot. Where you can use the law of exponents. See, as I told you earlier, you can use the law of exponents here. Where here we can use the law of exponents because the base is 3 by 2. Here the base is 2 by 3. So you can alter any one of the two. You can make this 3 by 2 2 by 3 or this 2 by 3 3 by 2. You can do any one change and then use the law of exponents and do this. Here also base are same, minus 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Okay. But here minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. They are different bases and different powers. So expand like this. So see here, expand it like this. Where you can use the law of exponents, you can use it. Where you cannot, expand it like this. All right. Or maybe you can complete it now in the class, children. Work it. Work this one now. Take the help of the slide and work it. Are you all working?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Finished, ma'am.
Oh, very good. So the first one, you can do it in both. You can do it in any one of these two methods. You can make the base 3 by 2 like here, or you can make it 2 by 3 like here. You can bring them to the base 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. And then using the law of exponents, when bases are same and it's multiplication, add the powers. So see, you get the same answer. You should get the same answer, whichever is the method. The third one, again, bases are same and it's multiplication. So we add the powers. We get -1. So you know this, and -8 by 7 is the result. But in the second one, you're unable to use any law. So do this method. What's that method? Make the powers positive, because the power says number of times. Make the powers positive. This one is negative, so make it positive. -3 by 2 to the power 3. This one is already positive, so leave it as it is. Write it as it is. Now this is 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. This is 2 times. You cannot cancel anything. So just multiply. 3 5 times is 243. 243. And the product of the denominators is 200, and the minus sign 5 times, so it's minus. Minus happens 5 times, so it's minus. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show I didn't complete it? Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Take a picture of this one, children. Finish this by yourself.
Taken, ma'am.
Taken, ma'am.
All right. One also.
Taken, ma'am.
All this is for practice. Yeah, practice sums.
Taken, ma'am. Taken.
Okay.
Taken, ma'am. Taken, ma'am.
Please practice all these, children. I'm sure you'll be able to do it easily. You have the answers also. You can go through the answers and then work it by yourself. Or
Yes,
maybe you
ma'am.
can try it by yourself and then compare your answer with the answer you have in the screenshot. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. I need to compensate 2 classes actually. One earlier and one this week I did not take. I'll see if I can make a class on Monday. I'll let you know, children. Monday evening from what time? 6 to 7:15.
Ma'am, actually, I'm having on Hindi class on Monday, ma'am.
No, children, now because it's a compensation class. Now what happens is it's difficult. You're engaged with some class or the other. All of you actually, not only you. There are children attending Hindi classes and other classes. So please make use of the meeting recording. In case I make a class which is not convenient for whoever here, please make use of the recording. All right. So let me see. I don't know. I may make a class on Monday to compensate. I'll let you know on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, children. Thank you.